the pit beef sandwich, a Baltimore-style barbecue, similar to Chicago Italian beef, close cousin to Texas brisket, gate-kept for many years by Baltimoreans. After a quick Google search, I came up with some solid contenders for the king of pit beef in Baltimore. So we're going to try over the next couple of weeks to see who really holds the crown. We're going to start off with my own introduction to pit beef. My first place I ever tried, Pioneer Pit Beef, the OG in Baltimore County. Got a wood splitter, whole logs, fresh split wood, so you know it's the real deal.
Can I get a 2 wajus and a coleslaw? Thank you,
Okay, I'm doing good. Can I get one super?
How do you like to be cooked?
Medium.
Super.
Yeah, one order of French fries.
Fried, please. What do you like to order, sir?
Tiger sauce, horseradish, and a very little bit of onion.
Thanks. Tiger hotel.
Everything at Pioneer is hot and fresh, from the hand-cut fries to their trademark sandwich. $11, walking out with a heck of a meal. No complaints from me. Little tiger sauce, little onion, little horseradish, you're good to go. Coming up on The Seasoned Life, Episode 2, we're going across town. If Pioneer's the OG, this is the big dog. Next place we're going to profile is Chap's Pit Beef in Baltimore. If you've ever heard of pit beef before and you're not in Maryland, this is probably the place. Check us out. We give you the real scoop on Baltimore pit beef. We're going to go a little more in depth, give you some of the history, do some of the flavor profiles, try a couple more dishes, and bring you along a little more with this Maryland unique style of barbecue. This is The Seasoned Life, Maryland Pit Beef, Episode 1, Episode 2 coming, Chaps. Thanks for watching. Have a seasoned life.